Have you ever been annoyed by slow Wi-Fi speeds or drop connections? Introducing the EMR Smart Mesh Router by EnGenius. The EMR Smart Mesh Router automatically detects and adjusts connection quality to provide full coverage in the hardest-to-reach places. Based on AC Wave 2 technology, the EMR Smart Mesh Router supports multiple spatial streams to be allocated to different clients simultaneously. With TX beamforming, it delivers a stronger signal to devices over longer distances. EnGenius EMR5000 comes with tri-band radios to provide a dedicated radio for mesh backhaul and dual radios for multiple devices to deliver a full-strength Wi-Fi signal in a mesh network. To use a metaphor, conventional dual-band at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz is a slow-moving restaurant where cooks must perform the additional duty of processing customers at the cash register. Tri-band frees up your resources to do what they do best, prepare the meal, while dedicated staff handle customers at the register. As with the restaurant, the network has been redesigned to serve more customers faster. Traditionally, it is difficult to deploy a mesh network to a wider coverage area due to the limitations of interior space. The EMR Smart Mesh Router supports wired connectivity to extend the network to an entire house or building, even across multiple floors. Configuring a group of EMR Smart Mesh Routers is easy. Download the EnMesh app to link up your routers in a mesh Wi-Fi network in seconds. The EnMesh app automatically detects your signal and route and displays color-coded recommendations of the best location for your routers. Visual topology helps you quickly understand connections between each mesh device. Locate and repair potential network issues with one-touch troubleshooting and system recovery. If your network speed lags, use the Internet Speed Test tool to check the current network status and contact your ISP if necessary. In addition, the EnFile app gives you the tools to create your own personal cloud network by connecting a hard drive or other storage device to the EMR Smart Mesh Router. And with the EMD1 Mesh Dot, you can combine with the EMR Smart Mesh Router to create your own plug-and-play extendable mesh network. EnGenius EMR3500 and EMR5000, the best home Wi-Fi solution for your home. A variety of packages are available across the EnGenius product line. Choose the solution that best meets your project's needs.